Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Leo. I'm here today with Karen.
Hello.
And we are back to introduce a brand new As Seen on TV launch for you. This is the Celebration Frames collection. So we have an amazing collection of dies for you today.
I love these. I love them so much.
Now you may remember we had, not so long ago, we had our Festive Frames collection.
We did.
And these are very, very similar, along the same lines, but these are for all of your big celebrations, basically. So 4 die sets in this collection. You've got 3 panels that are going to be perfect for very quick and easy card fronts.
Absolutely.
And other things. And then we also have a set of tag dies. So I'm going to start with the tag dies since they're on my side over
Go on
here.
then.
So here are the tags that we have.
So you can see you've got your lovely inspiration on the front and a little bit on the back there, showing you exactly what you get. Your Verso dies cut straight in and with the outer edge as well. And when we just open these up, there's no instructions. You don't need them.
No.
They're basically just that. So you've got your outer edge and you've got your pattern. You can cut this into a card front. You can cut it out with the edge. You know, it's one of those Verso dies that is just going to be used over and over and over. And you've got 3 different edges. So you've got this one with the straight line and the dot and the dash.
A dot dash, yep.
You've got this one, which is a straight line edge again, but this has just got the stitch mark. And then this one is a scallop with a dot, which is lovely. You've got birthday wishes. You've got yay, hooray, I love. And you've got it's your day. Yay, hooray, it's your day.
Perfect. Absolutely love them.
So these are fab.
So, you know, in decorating, obviously not just cards. You can probably see all of the things that we have in front of us today.
But it's not just what it cuts out. It's the waste.
Yes.
So with these, the waste is all of the letters.
Yep. So what words can you make with all of these letters that you have? And if you do mix and match them with the Festive Frame sets as well, you had lots of other letters in there.
Yes, you did.
It's probably not quite a full alphabet because, like we said, there's probably no X
Definitely
and no Z.
no Zs.
But you're probably getting quite close.
So I'm going to bring these 3 over now. Easier to get them all together. So first of all, we have Make a Wish. Again, here's your inspiration. You've got Make a Wish there, cut into a card front and with the outer edge. So each die, it's a little dinky little die set, and I love
so
them.
Cute.
There is your...
And they're quite sizable frames, these.
Yeah, it just completely fills the packaging. That's what it is. So you haven't got any gap where the little pocket is on your wallet. So there's your full Make a Wish. There's your outer edge for
so
this one.
Is the dot dash.
Dot dash, yep, it is. It's the plain edge with the dot dash. You've got lovely candles in this one. Make a Wish, again, just falls out. So you can pop different colours in and things like that. We'll show you that with the samples that we've got. Next one is Let's Party. So again, with your edge and without, just cut in. And this one has got a plain edge on here. So you can see, there's your edge, there's your Verso die, you've got Let's Party, that's all going to fall out. You've got lovely bunting and streamers and stars. This is really, really lovely. Really good for the younger people in your life.
Indeed.
I think.
And also, like I said, quick cards.
Oh, very quick cards. A nice shimmered background.
Yep.
One of them on top.
Job done.
Robert's your mother's brother.
Exactly.
And then we've got your classic Happy Birthday with some lovely balloons. So we've gone again with a nice scallop this time. And we've gone landscape rather than the portrait of the other 2. So you can see there's your outer edge, scalloped outer edge, and your lovely balloon pattern with your Happy Birthday. Separate letters again will fall out. Just cut it from a couple of colours and pop them all back in. Very, very quick and easy cards.
Super quick. But also not just cards. You can decorate anything with these. So we've got a couple of objets around here. Let's have a look. So here's a very quick one for you. I love this. You've got this is just one of those white paper bags that you can get from basically everywhere. But it's been decorated. So with the Let's Party, let's call it a card front. It's not a card front.
It is a card front, but you can just put it on everything, can't you?
Exactly. And then you've got the Yay Hooray tag just coming off the handle there as well. And I love all of these little, all your scraps.
It is.
Cut them into triangles, stick them over the back. Amazing.
I love it. And Christine's used a nice striped background for this one. So she's used cardstock, isn't she? Yeah. To make her patterned paper herself. So she's laid down some little scraps.
And again, another scrap thing that you can do.
Absolutely.
Just using those strips of card that you've probably already got in your scraps bin.
I love it. Absolutely love that one. So that is using one of the card fronts and one of the tags.
We've got this adorable little gift box here.
So this is a box that we had a long time ago. This is our gift tag box. I can't remember what it was called.
Something like that. It's got sweets in it and I'm trying really hard not to let them fall out. We've actually got love hearts in here.
Is that because Vicky loves us?
Maybe.
Thank you, Vicky.
In fact, let's just show it here. It's going to be easier.
Yeah, it is going to be easier.
So you've got one of those lovely tags just on top.
Beautiful with the letters popped back in red and a couple of the bigger elements just popped in with some gold card.
Absolutely love it. Oh my god, this one is heavy.
Do you know what's in it?
I do not.
Do you not? Okay, I'm going to show you from the top-down camera again, just so you can see this one. So it was, if you remember our shoebox, so Vicky's made a shoebox, the shoebox die set, because it's your base box. Yeah. No decoration, no nothing. I love it. She's popped the, these are A2 panels, aren't they?
I have a feeling they are, yes.
A2 panel on top, so that's a Make-A-Wish, and she's paper pieced all these beautiful little candles.
You know what these colours are reminding me of? Yeah, that paper we've just been looking at upstairs.
Absolutely. And she's popped a candle in there.
That's lovely.
That is
no wonder it's heavy.
Exactly. So she's gone for a lovely vanilla. Yes. Jar candle.
Oh, yum.
Delightful. Thank you, Vicky. I'm sure Jodie will be very, very pleased with that. That is fabulous. So we are filming this before we send the samples to Jodie, obviously. Vicky's made another amazing card here. You have to see this one. So it just looks like, we've just got a little card with Make-A-Wish on it. Where'd it go here?
I think there,
Okie doke. So we've just got Make-A-Wish on your card there, but kablamo. We've got birthday going across, so she's taken the letters out for birthday. She's used her own letters for your. Yeah. So she's obviously got a sentiment at home or something that she's snipped up, and she's just put your birthday on this huge card. It's
so big.
4 card fronts. I love it. I think it's a really good idea though.
Yeah.
Just to have that. What a lovely, lovely card. You think it's just an opening card and then it just kind of, whoa, where does it start?
Going. Yeah, absolutely.
It's amazing. So thanks for that, Vicky. Beautiful.
Can you reach the other end of this? If I grab that
end. Right, okay.
We've also got this lovely bunting from Christine. I'm just going to hold it like this.
Yeah, let's just do that and hope that you can see some of it. So Christine's used some, looks like, I think she's made this bunting, you know.
Potentially, yeah.
Because that looks like our twine.
Oh, it does. It does. So it's kind of like a, well, she's made her own bunting flag, then she's put the little tags on them. On each flag, there's a different one.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Just along there. So, you know, if you're decorating for your birthday parties, you can make your own decor as well.
You can. We've got another lovely Make-A-Wish card here. And this is from, Shilpa. So we've got Make-A-Wish just there. And she's popped a nice little stamped sentiment as the stopper. Wishing you a wonderful day, that one is saying.
Perfect.
But I really, really like this one because she's coloured in
she's coloured
all of those candles. And I think you can just see that there. Isn't that lovely?
Really cute.
Thanks for that, Shilpa.
Very nice card.
Love them. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no.
Okay. So also from Shilpa, she's used one of our old die sets, making a nice little heart-shaped bag to put a birthday wishes tag on. And it's always really nice just to see something like this, you know, when the girls utilise the older die set, bring them back with something updated.
You've got something like this in your stash already as well.
Absolutely. Oh, look, you can just see that properly there. That's really nice.
And just adding a tag over the top.
A tag on there with the wording again, just pop back in a nice pink colour to match the bag.
Beautiful.
Love that. Absolutely love it, Shilpa. So I've got here, this is a really good idea actually, and I'm sure this has been done for us to be able to show it.
Yeah.
Because it's a bag, but it's a card. So it is a bag, and Claire's made us this bag. She's just popped some lovely pattern paper on the bottom that works really nicely with the colours she's chosen for her tag. And she's popped some little paper piecing in for the balloons, because you've got balloons on your paper, and it all matches beautifully. Yay, hooray!
Woohoo.
So just imagine that's a bag, but it stands up nicely.
Yeah,
Thanks for that, Claire. I love that. Really good idea. Vicky's made us another tag. So this is one of our little critters. It's your day. And she's pieced those lovely wordings in there with, there you go, there's a lovely...
it's Shilpa.
Oh, is it Shilpa? Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought it was Vicky. I honestly thought it was Vicky's. Oh, I'm sorry, Shilpa. It is Shilpa's, and it's a beautiful job because she's done a shimmer powder background. That's what I was just saying earlier about doing a quick shimmer powder background and popping something on top of it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because it's such a good idea, isn't it? And she's shimmered onto a different cardstock there as well. So I would have automatically picked up white to shimmer onto.
Yeah. But
And
no,
look how lovely it looks on that. That's onto buttermilk, I think. But yeah, that's one of our little... Is this Wild About Zoo, or is this Walk on the Wild Side? And you've got It's Your Day with a little crocky on there. Love him.
Super cute.
Crocodile.
I've got some lovely cards as well. So this one is from Christina. She's actually taken some of the words from all of the sentiments and put them back together.
I love.
No frame on this one. We've just got, hooray, it's your birthday.
And it's using the fallout, basically using your rubbish.
Yeah, exactly that.
Love it.
Absolutely love it. I'm
Love
sure
that,
you can think
Christine.
of lots of little signs that you could put onto the front of people's cards
Definitely.
using all these letters.
Definitely. We've got a nice one here. This again is from our Shilpa, and she's got this wonderful coloured background. I'm not sure what she's used.
Shimmer powder by the looks
Do
of
you
it.
think?
Yeah.
Shimmers? They're beautiful, aren't they? So you've got Make a Wish, and she's just drop highlighted, I would say, there, rather than drop shadowed. You can see you've got the black outline, you've got a little bit of white showing as well, and it just makes it pop, doesn't it?
Really
I
does.
love that one, Shilpa. Thank you for that.
What have I got here? I've got a lovely soft one. So
Oh,
obviously,
this is
you know,
nice.
this set in general, you think of all the bright colours, but you don't have to go bright. You can go a little bit softer. And this one is just the letters picked out in white, and then just that little bit of ink over all of the balloons.
But can you see that's just been embossed rather than die cut?
It's
I
really
love that. So
lovely.
run that through with a thinner plate combination, and it'll keep all the pieces in there.
Really,
It's
really nice.
just been embossed.
What a good idea.
Yeah, and those letters just stuck on
over the
top.
top.
Love it. I have got, what have I got over here? Oh, I've got this one. Now we should have shown this one earlier because it goes with
That one.
the bag. So there's your Let's Party, yay hooray, and Make a Wish on your card and your bag, and you've got the stripy paper there that Christine's made that she's popped onto the bottom here as well. Just some stripes of card and the corresponding colours there pieced back in on this really, really lovely white and glitter.
Love it.
Oh,
Good bit of
there
sugar
you
crystal.
go. Look at that. You can
Just
see
see
it
it.
beautifully. So that is a white on white. I love white on white anyway. because
And
you
playing
have
with different
to,
textures of white, isn't it?
but you have to look at it up close. Do you know what I mean? When you've got white on white, you have to look at it, and you really just want to turn it to
You can
catch
actually
the
probably
light.
see it a bit better top down.
Can we?
Yes, you can.
Ah, there you go. So if I just keep moving that so you can catch the shimmer, you can
Really
see
like
that there. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I love this one. One of my favourites. I know we say we don't have favourites, but
No, we don't. But we kind of do.
obviously
Like the one
not.
behind it, actually, I really like.
This one?
Yes.
Oh, right. Now, this one is a completely different thing again. So Christine's got her techniques out this time, I think.
Yeah. And I think this is a good one to bring out the techniques.
It
because
is.
they are quite simple dyes.
Yeah, it is. So Christine has cut this and she's popped it onto some vellum. So she's cut it in a nice pewter grey.
Yeah.
And she's popped it onto some vellum and then coloured the vellum, I reckon, from behind.
Yes. So it's kind
It's
of
softer
Yeah, I was
again.
going to say it's a little bit more muted. It's still very celebratory.
And fun and bright.
Yes.
But still slightly muted.
It's not quite so in your face.
No, it's not. And I love it. Oh, see, which one's my fave? Which one's my fave? Vicky's done another really nice fold here for us. So you can see that she's cut that card away and popped the panel on and paper pieced all of that back in. And that is beautiful as well.
I love the colours in this.
I love the colours. You know I love teal. It's one of my favourites.
Exactly.
Gorgeous.
So these are available from us now when you're seeing this video. Obviously they're not at the moment because we're literally about to send this to Jodie to go on TV. But yes, when you see this video, these will be available directly from our website. And of course, because they're available directly from us, that means if you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, you get to take your 10% off as well. What a bargain. So you can grab them as a full collection, or you can have the individual ones if there's a couple that you specifically want.
Yeah.
You can pick them up however you choose. Of course, you can also pay in installments on our website as well with ShopPay, ClearPay and PayPal. So if you add just a few too many things and you need to spread the cost just over a couple of weeks or maybe a couple of months, take advantage of that while you can.
Use someone else's money for a couple of weeks.
Definitely.
Why not? But the most important thing is if you do make anything with any of these amazing products, tag us in your makes. We love to see what you are making. You inspire us, you inspire each other, and let's keep that going.
And we can't wait to show off some of your makes on our weekend live show and tell as well. So definitely get them in the group.
Yes.
Speaking of the group, you can find us over on Facebook on the Tonic Studios official Facebook group, or we are across the rest of social media at Tonic Studios, and you can use the hashtag #ShowTonic to show us what you have been doing. Make sure you give this video a like. If you're not already subscribed to our channel, why on earth not? Wow, how rude. But yeah, do subscribe. We post lots of videos like this, inspiration for our products. We do makes for 3D things that we do, and we do a live show twice a week. So you definitely don't want to miss that. And event weeks. I mean, we do have one of those. Will it be coming up? Will it be around this time? I can't work the maths out on that.
It'll be coming up, I think.
It will be mid.
Will it be mid? Oh,
2 weeks, isn't it?
We might hang on to this then. This
Maybe.
might be.
We do have live event weeks where we have, lots of new launches. We're live every day. There's all kind of madness and mayhem. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you also hit that notification bell.
Ding!
So that you will be notified every time we post a new video and when we go live, so that you don't miss out. Because you don't want to miss out on all this crafty fun and mayhem.
And it is mayhem. If you catch one of those live, especially event week shows, it's frantic.
It is. It's just
absolutely frantic.
And you would love it.
And we have Jodie as well.
We do indeed.
We do.
So thank you everyone for joining us. We hope you love this as much as we do. Pop us a message in the comments below. Looking at this, what's the first card or project you're going to make with them? I'd love to know.
Definitely.
Thank you again for joining us, and we'll see you all again very soon.
Happy crafting!